Have you ever used a HELOC? Yes. Yeah, I think HELOCs are really useful. So we have used them on investment properties. So it's not necessarily like a home equity, it's just an investment property line of credit, or it's a line of credit secured by an investment property. However, I would say that we prefer long-term debt rather than lines of credit. So from a business perspective, lines of credit are generally short term, maybe like a year, renewable every year, whereas you have to use that line of credit and then take it back to zero multiple times throughout that year. That's how the banks want you to interact with that kind of debt instrument. And if you just do like a refinance on the underlying property and pull some cash out, then that cash that you pull out doesn't really need to be answered for, and it's not renewable on a annual basis. So even though I haven't been an investor through one of these market cycles, when I talk to a lot of investors that either went bankrupt or lost a significant amount of their net worth in the past, like housing correction, I would say that one of the things that they had in common were the usages of lines of credit and being overextended on properties. So I would say, especially if it's a short term, annual renewable line of credit, and if the market shifts, then line of credits can be non renewed at the end of those 12 months. And the last thing you want to do is have a fully extended line of credit and that thing be non renewed, because then you have to come up with that cash immediately in order to pay that off.
Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.